Hi, Randy here from Randy Cycle Service. We're going to cold start a 68 Triumph TR6R, and today it's about 45-degree ambient temperature out here, so pretty chilly. Bike's been parked all night. Here's how it goes. Ignition on, fuel taps on.
Both of them?
We're going to tickle the carburetor on this side over here. Just hold this down until we get a little dribble of fuel very quickly. Set the choke to fully closed. Set out the Kickstarter, and we'll pick it through. We're going to open the choke very slightly. We're holding the idle up. We'll just hold it up until it gets warm enough to take off riding. Once we get ready to ride, we'll open the choke fully all the way around. Then we'll be set. Once it warms up, it'll idle on its own, and there you have it. Cold start on the 68 TR6R.